Where am I? Merch from YouTube channels. Brightly lit backgrounds. Gratuitously large computer. Do I hear a 3D printer? It's a YouTube video. I'm in a YouTube video! It all makes sense now! Screw you guys who said it was never gonna happen. It's happening! In all seriousness though, guys, it is actually happening. I know I've been telling you guys for years and years and years that it's gonna happen, it's gonna be this year, it's gonna be the next year. This time it's real. I'm putting my words into video form right now. So this is a kind of a surreal moment for me. This is my first YouTube video that I'm making for this channel. And I really mean to keep going with it. Not everything that I have is mine. The microphone I'm using is my roommate's. The lights that I have are just bad. But that's kind of the idea. The idea is merging my passions for technology and DIY into one channel. Think MKBHD meets I Like to Make Stuff. If you haven't seen those channels, please go check them out. They are a huge inspiration to me. But I'm so happy to finally be starting to do this. And beyond that idea, I don't really have anything. I don't know what my next video is going to be. So please, 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 if you see this video, drop me a comment. Send me a private message if you prefer that. Let me know what you want me to do. I am open to suggestions. I'm super excited, and I really want to get content flowing on this channel because I'm really excited about it. I've been excited for years, and now it's finally happening. So please, if you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, drop a like, a comment, or do none of that. It's a free country.